this is your boy Augustone, and I'm right here with another video. And in today's video, I'm going to take you to the road project that is going on at East Legon Hills to Sateo and Shaman, right? So I'm here and I'm going to begin the video from here to give you guys an update of what is going on this particular road. So stick to the end of the video, and please don't forget, if you have not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe and share the video, like, comment, and help, so that will help us to get more views, more subscribers, and that will let people also know what is going on at this particular place. So here we are, and this is what is happening here on the road of Sateo. So this is an amazing, a lot is really happening. This is how far they have come. They are doing the pedestrian lanes, and also you can see that it's a dual road. It is a dual road, and a huge one as well. I was thinking it's gonna be a 4-lane road, but I just realized that it's going to be a dual road. Yeah. So as I was saying, this is what is happening at the Sateo road. Yeah, now from gates, they've started working on the pedestrian lane. They're working on the pedestrian lane, right? And I've been bringing updates since they started this road, and now even sorry, I was interrupted. Sorry. So I was saying that I've been bringing updates on this particular route. So if you want to know what is going on or how far they have gone with this project, then you have to subscribe to the channel, so that anytime I drop a video concerning this place or any other video about a road construction or development that is going on around this vicinity or this area, you get to be notified, right? So as I was saying, this is what is going on currently. This is what is happening. The last time that I brought a video concerning this place, they were up to from Africa area there. So I don't know if they are on break or they are continuing. So I'll try and go to that place and see if they are continuing the thing, or they just pause there for some time, because I didn't see any gravels or these stones over there. So I was thinking it's on hold for now. That is why I come to start a video here for you guys to know, or to see the other work that has been that has begun on the road, which is the pedestrian lane. Right. Which is the pedestrian lane, and I can see that they are doing something in front of me. I don't really know when they are going to, someone asked me when are they going to complete. I can't really tell or know when they are going to complete this project. But what I can say is that I can give every update or detailed update on the progress of the work till the finish. Right, so stick to the end and also stick to this channel so that you will get every detail or every information concerning this project as to when it's going to be completed. I don't really know about that. See? I'm pretty sure that they might be in front of us, because it's like today the road has been quiet. It's like work is not going on now. But I'll try and go to where I did the last video. Up to, because I ended the last video at where they got to or where they were. So I will try and see if I can reach there. I'll try and go there and see if there has been a continuation or that's where they have ended. So don't go anywhere. Stick to this channel and stick to the end, and you will see everything. So there's a little work going on over here. This is what they are using to do the traditional lane. You can see they are using the concrete mixer car with the gravels or the stones mixed. They are doing it top.